Take those screws loose. Take note of the position and which wire goes where, so that when you install a new one, you can place those exactly where the old ones came out of. This is called a water heater element wrench. This is the tool that we use to take out water heater heating elements. As you can see, it's a pretty neat tool. It's got a hex head on one end that actually fits onto the heating element head itself. Stay tuned and you'll watch the continuation of this process on Plumbing Inspired by James Golden.